Hey guys, we are going to make fried rice. I love fried rice myself and I love making it once in a blue moon. Fried rice comes in so many different variations and people cook it so differently, and you can always customize your own spices. And what I have here is what I am gonna use for my fried rice today. As you can see, very simple ingredients. Right here, I do have cut up white onions or diced white onions, and that is garlic. And then I have some ginger. I love ginger in rice. We have the mixed spices. And then I have some cumin seeds, and of course, a couple bay leaves. All right, so I got my pan hot already and I'm adding some oil. And first thing that I love to cook first is the ginger. And you know why? Because this stuff right here is like a tuber, so it has a lot of water. It's watery and it's more firm. So I love to first fry the ginger before anything else, because the rest are just soft stuff. And then of course I will add the onions right away. I give those a good stir, and then right after I'll add the garlic, and of course give it a good stir as well. Guess what's coming in next? Cumin seeds. Yeah, I want the cumin seeds next because these little dry things are a little tough, so I want them to fry a little bit. I've added them and I'll give it a stir. So for this fried rice, I normally want my spices to cook nice and ready without burning way too much. Just like you can see right here. And when my onions are ready to this consistency, I add my tomato puree. And guess what comes in next? The dry mixed spices. I love adding these dry herbs in the tomato puree because if I add them in the oil, they tend to dry out all the oil, and I don't like that. Okay, this is optional. I don't normally use curry powder, but I'm gonna add it today because I just wanted to have a little bit of some curry powder in this fried rice. This is the consistency that I love for my fried rice. It is ready and good to go. I'm gonna keep it to the side. Now let's get started with the rice. My rice goes into the pot. So at this point, I add my bay leaves. And you know why? Because I feel that bay leaves cook better when they boil in water or whatever soup, gravy, than frying them. So I add them at this point and let the rice boil a little bit before I cover it. After the rice cooking for about 2 minutes at this point, this is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna add the other paste that I prepared ahead of time. I love adding this paste at this point, and then I have enough liquid in the rice to stir it so generously so that it all blends out so well in the rice without burning at this point. Because remember, I still have enough water in the pan. And after giving it a very nice thorough stir, I'm gonna reduce the heat all the way to simmer and cook that rice on low heat until it's ready. After all the water or most of the water dries out, this is when I stir the rice. And as I can see for sure right now, it just looks good. It's cooking well. And at this point, you can choose to get out the bay leaves, but I'm okay with them, so I'm gonna keep them for now. And after about 5 minutes, this rice is ready. I can see it. The smell, the aroma is great. It looks amazing. I hope you loved this video and you can see how quick and easy it is to make fried rice.